Okay, let's start. Summer 2018 question paper 13. And the first question is, the introduction of robots has meant that many firms now require fewer workers to produce their goods and services. According to the statement, which factor of production is replacing workers? Well, robots are capital, so the answer must be capital. Robots are not enterprise, obviously. Enterprise is organizing the other factors of production, taking the risk, and making profits, or maybe losses. And the robots are replacing labor. That's the workers. And robots are not land. So answer for one is robots, or, oh my gosh, capital. Answer for one is A. Capital, something man-made, used to produce something else. Question 2, economics textbooks identify the existence of scarcity as the basic economic problem. So this is a basic economic problem question. What is it that makes scarcity a problem? Unlimited wants. So A is true. Scarcity might cause inflation and unemployment. Well, maybe A is not true, but B is the key words. B has the key word of satisfy unlimited wants. So B must be the answer for question number 2. Oh, is scarcity the first priority of governments? Who knows? Government's priorities are usually, economic growth, low unemployment, and stable prices, or in other words, controlled inflation, is first, and it only affects the richest countries. Well, that's not true. That's silly, right? Let's look at 3. The diagram shows a country's original PPC, production possibility curve. Original is XX, and this is a repeat question. You notice the labels. This is manufactured goods and agricultural goods. You can use different labels for PPCs. So what could cause a country's production possibility curve to move from XX to XY? There's an increase in potential production for agricultural goods, so maybe farming technology, a decrease in the price of manufactured goods. That does not affect the PPC. A major war? No. And an improvement in fertilizers. Well, that improvement in fertilizers will increase production and probably increase productivity for agricultural goods. So C must be the answer. D says an increase in the employment rate, but if we increase the employment rate, we're just moving points inside the curve, aren't we? Low unemployment, higher unemployment. Say low unemployment, higher unemployment. So the answer for 3 is C. Let's see, number 4. What is a benefit of the free market system? Let's see, people, buyers decide what will be produced by what they make decisions to buy. Let's see, innovation is encouraged to increase profits. I like this. That's one of the major benefits of a free market system is innovation. You're free to produce something you can sell, and so of course then you're happy to innovate. Then you can sell for a higher price, right? Increase your economic profits. Free market system does not control negative externalities, unfortunately. I'm not sure anyone does. And wow, they have A, C, and B. Huh. I wonder. Anyway, for a free market system, are subsidies an advantage? Um, yes, but you know, I don't know. A is the most beneficial aspect of a free market system. D, the distribution of goods and services is fair. No, the free market is not necessarily fair. Subsidies, wow, they reverse that. Anyway, for 4, the answer is A, right? Innovation is one of the biggest benefits for a free market system. And question 5, another one of those spider's webs curves. Let's see, what will be the new equilibrium if the economy experiences sustained economic growth and the government reduces planning controls on the building of new hospitals? I did not read the first part because I know we start here because we're starting here. And I just draw my curve over here so I can work this out. Now, the economy experiences sustained economic growth, which will probably increase demand or shift the demand curve, and government reduces planning controls on the building of new hospitals. Now, that may be subtle, but if the government reduces rules and regulations, planning controls on building of new hospitals, that will reduce the cost to build new hospitals. So shift the supply curve to the right. So we will be here. The answer is B. Let's see, healthcare. Oh, and this is specifically about healthcare. So yes, the answer must be B for question 5.